Meaning of 4x4.
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 4x4. 4x4 is a term commonly used to describe a type of vehicle with four-wheel drive, meaning that all four wheels receive power from the engine at the same time. This configuration provides improved traction and handling in off-road or slippery conditions. The term can also refer to a grid or matrix that is 4 squares by 4 squares in size, often used in puzzles or games. Overall, 4x4 pertains to both mechanical and geometrical concepts involving the number 4 and provides increased strength, stability, and versatility.